guys, welcome to my channel The Social Kudi, and in this video you are gonna come shop with me to H&M. So let's see, let us get some good items over here. Let's go. So this is my outfit for the day, and even this dress is from H&M and I absolutely love it. This is for the days out and some casual outings. This is so cool. It has slits on both the sides, and yeah. Absolutely loved this jacket. This is a fur jacket, and just look at it, the style of it, and it is so very soft also. तो अगर आप ऐसे मंथ्स में आते हो to H&M or to any other store, so you will get some amazing pieces of some winter wear and at really low prices, because अभी सिर्फ start ही हुआ होता है. So sometimes they put the last season का भी stock and इस season का new stock. So these are all the new stocks. And I even absolutely loved this jacket also. This is also so nice. So if you want to shop for winters, so you can do that, and there is a lots and lots of stuff. आपका यहाँ पे गर्मी का भी stuff मिल जाएगा अभी आपको, but most probably you will get new stuff in the winters. And this is an amazing leather jacket that I totally like. So this is somewhat kind of biker leather jacket, and that is what the style is. And just look at it. I mean, ये अभी लाइट में थोड़ा सा अजीब लग रहा है, but all in all it is a fantastic pick. Yeah, these are some body suits and everything. This is also really nice, a very staple piece this is, and rest is a sheer black top. So this is just one section that I'm showing you guys, and इसमें थोड़ा new winter collection था, so that is why I'm showing you this. And there's this amazing printed dress also over here. So all of these things you can get in H&M right now, and the stock is really fresh, and everything is taken care of, like everything is sanitized and stuff like that. यहाँ पे ये पूरा section is 70% off, and yeah, like these are all the old stock that they keep, the stock that didn't sell well, so they kept it in the 70% off. या फिर जो stock आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हाई रेट में पहले मिल रहा था, ये अब उसमें 70 up to 70% तक आपको ऑफ पे मिल जाएगा. And so yeah, everything is here. I mean, just look at it. This amazing jacket, इसका original price was 3,000. Now you're getting it in 900. This is such a steal, guys. Such a steal. I mean, for the winter formal wear, you can totally ace this jacket. I absolutely love this piece. I mean, this is such a steal. Then we have some tops, summery tops that you can buy. And yeah, this is it for the 70% section over here. And this is another blazer that someone kept really badly. These are some basic t-shirts that you can get for your winter wear. Yeah, like some winter wear t-shirts are also here, some, you know, long sleeve t-shirts and stuff, basic t-shirts you can tell. And this is a satin skirt that, you know, is so trendy right now on Instagram or on any other site. Like this is so trendy. Just look at it. It's so nice. I mean, let me just tell you the price of it. Okay, where is it? So इसका original price was 2,209. Now it is for 800. Such a steal again. Like आपको 800 to 900 में यहाँ पे सामान मिल जाएगा in the 70 section वाले 70% off वाले section में. And there are some more skirts. I mean, just look at this pleated skirt. Oh my god, this is for only 1,299, 1,300, and such an elegant piece, guys. Such a beauty, such an elegant piece. I mean, you can just see how well it would fit you, and it is so nice for some, you know, some other formal wear or party wear, kind of like that. You can literally use this piece for so many things. So yeah. So guys, this is another winter jacket, and it is also in a very denim kind of a material, and this is also really chic and really nice. Feet style में बहुत काम आ जाएगा. This is a denim jumper with a shorts, and this is so cute. These are some leather pants which are absolutely big, but मेरे पास एक already है, so I'm not gonna even take this. I already have one. And then this is a balloon white top which you guys can pair up with so many things. This is a black denim jeans. So yeah, this is all of the new sections, and this is all in their stuff. This is a black dress, a really long black dress. So yeah, guys, this is a dress that I've been seeing on every other blogger now. Everyone is wearing this dress and they are absolutely loving it and styling it up in so many different kinds of ways. This is available at H&M in 1500 rupees. गाइस दिस इज़ अ न्यू जीन्स सेक्शन एंड यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट लेग जीन्स भी हैं जो बहुत ही अच्छी लग रही हैं और अभी बहुत ही ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में भी हैं द स्ट्रेट लेग जीन्स एंड आई एम थिंकिंग टू बाय वन सो लेट्स सी एंड देयर इज दिस वेरी कॉमन denim jacket over here. So this is all of the divided section. So here is the Billie Eilish's printed hoodies and everything. Then there's Justin Bieber again. And there's some sneakers, Billie Eilish again, then Justin Bieber. I mean, this one's cool. This one's legit very cool. And I hope ye glow in the dark ho. Billie Eilish's t-shirt, then some jeans again. So yeah, this is what it is right now. This is all about the divided section. And बहुत ही ज़्यादा trendy clothes मिलते हैं यहाँ पे. This section has to be one of your favorite sections in H&M because you literally get everything over here, from jeans to dresses to shirts, skirts, shorts, everything. This is such a nice top. This is a mesh top. So guys, I've shortlisted a few items and now I'm just gonna try them for you guys and show you how they look and just tell you what I'm gonna buy. I'm thinking to buy a lot of items, so let's just try it out now. So guys, this is the first outfit and ये मेरे को बहुत ही प्यारा लग रहा है. Like the whole body suit is nice and the jeans is awesome and I absolutely like it. and मैं ये दोनों pieces तो ज़रूर लेने वाली हूँ. So this is the next outfit and this is the skirt. ये ऐसा skirt मेरे को बहुत टाइम से चाहिए था and finally I got this one, but I'm not like really happy with this, so I'm a bit dicey, so let's see about this, but the flare and everything is nice, so let's see क्या होता है इसका. This is the next skirt and ये भी मेरे को ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगा, ठीक ही लगा, like so इसके लिए भी I'm really dicey. Also guys, मेरे को इसका साइज़ नहीं पता है, so I just literally picked it up. This is the next item. This is the blazer. I found it so मेरे को ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. Literally it looks like a lab coat, so yeah, it is a no-go for me. So yeah, this is another item. This is the jeans and cute, nice. अच्छा fit बहुत अच्छा है. Here are the pockets. This is the furry sweatshirt and मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा ये, बहुत ज़्यादा amazing quality, amazing style and I love the color. इसमें 3-4 कलर्स और हैं but मेरे को basically यही कलर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. Nice fit and it's really soft also. Absolutely love it. Gonna buy this definitely. Really a good piece for fall and for winters. Really good. It's really warm and really soft also. So guys, I am done with my shopping.
So guys, this was it for today's video. This is a new series called Come Shop With Me and I'm coming up with more such videos very soon, and tell me in the comment section about it, about what do you think about it and stuff like that. So I bought a lot of cute stuff and my shopping was so thorough, and again I bought so much of stuff. So if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon also. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, take care.